morning, everyone.
Yeah. Lights, please. Lights, please.
My skin is just very unhappy.
Turn off the lights, lights, please.
Today is January 27th. I decided to vlog today because it's a really special day in my life. I'm gonna do some makeup really quickly, but basically today I'm getting vaccinated with COVID, and I'm 18 years old. Basically, Israel has a lot of vaccines. We have already vaccinated 40% of the population. I am an Israeli citizen, so I knew that because Israel's doing such a good job, I would be able to get vaccinated soon, and I'm lucky to have that, but I didn't think it'd be so soon. Israel basically started vaccinating high schoolers. I skipped 5th grade, so like technically I'm supposed to be a senior right now, so in terms of like birth dates, I do fall into high school category. I'm the first in my entire family. Also, yes, I did move again. I'm in a new program, so I have a new apartment. I'm back in Florentine. I asked you guys on Instagram to request videos that you want me to do, and one of my friends was like, you should do like a travel, like Tel Aviv lookbook. That sounded like such a great idea because I love fashion. By the way, shout out to Mal, thanks for that idea. I just need to come up with different outfits, and I don't have that much clothes here that I brought, and also like I want to film in cool locations and I don't have anyone to film. If you guys live in Tel Aviv and you're a videographer and you're interested in filming, let me know. That'd actually be amazing. I also want to make a video like trying Israeli products, so doing like a makeup look and trying a few Israeli products. So if you know of any good products, let me know. What else? I'm probably gonna be walking there because I've been walking every single day trying to get 10,000 steps in. So this is the look. Sweats and tank top are both from Urban. I'm just doing some work. I do work from my bed because why not?
All indignity, accomplishment of all, a true.
I'm gonna eat a burritos now.
Did anyone, maybe it's in there, maybe it's one of.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one now. Okay guys, I'm heading out right now. This is the full outfit. I added this jacket from Tommy. I have this necklace that I actually bought here in a store. I forget the name. Sunglasses are from Urban. This bag is Zaful, and then some filas. Let's go. I'm walking there. To get my steps up.
Northside, coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you wasn't.
Wow.
My SG, call it sweater, she was in the way. I see the
מה נשמע?
בסדר.
זה החיסון הראשון שלך?
כן.
נתת כמה שיותר. עכשיו יכול להיות שבימים הקרובים יהיו גם כאבים במקום ההזרקה, אולי קצת כאב ראש חום. אם כן אפשר לקחת משתת כאבים במידת הצורך. אוקיי? זהו,
Okay. תודה. איפה אני מחכה? I have to wait 30 minutes because I might get an allergic reaction. But all in all, it was great. I just got home. I'm finishing up some work. I gotta say, it does hurt my arm a little bit and I do feel pretty lightheaded, but I'm just going to my friend's house later for dinner, so maybe tomorrow will be more interesting. Hi everyone, so it's a few days later. So since this vlog has been pretty eventful, today I want to do a few fun things. So first, I want to give you guys an apartment tour because I know people are gonna ask me. The apartment is not the cleanest, best looking right now. We have a mirror. This used to be our coffee table that was there. Basically, this is all gonna look a little different soon. What's super nice is this balcony. We have TV with some kitchen appliances. This is one of my roommates' room and she has a bathroom in there. We have the kitchen and then you walk this way and we have another room. This is my other roommate's room and she has a balcony with the washer. We have our bathroom. And then we have my room. So my room is also the safe room. So in Israel, most apartments and homes have a room in the house that is bomb-proof, basically.
Hello, shalom.
I just came back from my walk. I did a little workout and I showered and now I'm gonna attempt to make stir fry. This might go terribly wrong, we'll see.
Enchanté. Pulling shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. Got my ex keep calling sweater, she be in the way, and I need a day around.
So I just finished my dinner. I'm so proud of myself. It was actually really easy, but it was really, really good. I'm gonna have dessert. So I made this banana bread a while ago and I just want to finish it. I have a friend coming over to hang out. I'm gonna make some tea and then relax.